Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to start this video off by unboxing this unit that I received from Eon Hair. I'll leave all their information down below as well as direct links to this unit and to their website. So you guys, this is how this pixie cut wig looks and what I am feeling about this unit. I actually forgot that this wig came pre-plucked and with the knots bleached, so that is A1 YOLO. Okay, so they did an amazing job at plucking this hairline. It looks so freaking good. Look at that, it looks so good. And can you tell that the knots are bleached? I'm excited, even though I'm all the way out of my element with this wig. I'm not going to glue it down. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to sew some elastic band in on this wig. I wanted to show you guys how great this hairline looks, so that's why I have on a lighter cap at the moment. I went ahead and sewed elastic band in this unit and I applied it to my head. It fits so snug and effortlessly. I really love how the hairline comes pre-plucked, and you do have 6 inches of parting space as well. So if you wanted to do multiple stylings or part it in the middle or either side, you can do that as well. As you guys see me style this unit and play around with it to try to get it to suit my liking, I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit more about this wig. Again, this is Eon Hair Pixie Curly Lace Front Wig. It is 130% density and I have a medium-sized cap construction. The knots are bleached, and as you can see, the hairline came pre-plucked. Later on in this video, you're going to see me go in and just pluck it a little bit more on the side. Now, even though this wig isn't my style preference, I wanted to go ahead and feature it on my channel because the weather is warming up and I know a lot of my divas out there would rock a unit like this. I personally feel like it made me look like an auntie, or like it was like a maturing style for me. However, I still think that it was cute and it wasn't a horrible style for me. It's just not me, you know? So you guys, I definitely want to hear your thoughts about this unit. Do you think it's wearable for someone of my age, or do you think it's like, oh, so girl boo, stop, don't do it, okay? Don't do it. I want to know you guys' genuine thoughts in the comment section down below. If I didn't mention, I would say this unit is about 6 inches long. It's super short. It does have like that little pixie vibe in the back, but if this was my style, I would probably cut it up just a tad bit, like to an angle cut in the back. I don't think that the wig is horrible. Like I said once before, I actually think that this wig is finely made. It's constructed so well. I love the way that they pre-plucked the hairline and everything. Like I said so many times before, they did a really good job with that. The hair quality on this unit is excellent. I love Eon hair. Like, their wigs are really bomb. This style is just not, you know, my style, but I think it looked okay on me, you know. Thumbs up this video and comment down below. Don't forget to check out Eon hair. I'll leave links in my description box. And if I didn't mention, this wig is about like $69, and that is a steal, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.